It's one of those evenings when I'm craving ice cream, but I want something healthy that's still delicious and that's quick and easy. And this is the answer to my cravings. You can use some store-bought coconut condensed milk, or you can make yours at home. I'll be using some coconut milk powder. You can also use some canned coconut milk, but remember to add your sugar. Reduce this for 8 minutes on medium heat, and remember to whisk around the sides to prevent burning. Yeah! Please let this cool down before using. We're just gonna pause a little bit before we get a steady flow on our food processor. Now once everything is going, we add our coconut condensed milk. This is lovely. We add our vanilla. Man, this adds a lot of flavor. And don't worry, I know it looks kind of lumpy right now, but it's going to get smooth. You can use a blender, but if you use the blender, you're going to have to pour in like more condensed milk to get your blender going. And that's it, guys. Look at that. Nut free, quick and easy and delicious. And how could we forget? It's vegan. Can you believe this?